Hello everybody and welcome back to some more Daily Video Nonograms. Wake up because it's the first of the month. It is currently May 1. Yes, May 1st. It is around 7 p.m. I don't have the clock open, but that's a pretty good estimate, I think. And yeah, I'm here hoping I can continue my streak of um, doing well, uh, doing well with being consistent with uploading. So yeah, I hope I can continue that into this month because it would be really nice. I do really enjoy making these videos for my dearest, um, really many fan, of course. So yeah, I hope this is gonna be a good one. I hope this month will be as good as April. So here we go. Let's try and look for an opening. Not exactly, um, not one that pops out right now, but we'll keep looking. I'm sure we'll find something. It's 211. No, but we'll start from this side. 8. Wait. Sorry. 2 and then 8. So like this. Yeah. What can I do? Where can I get some easy progress? 2, 3, 4, 1, 7 minus 4, 8, and then 3, 4. That's gonna be 3, 2. Yeah. That's a 2, then what now? This is a 7, so that's an 8, so that's a 2. Okay. 14, 1. It looks like this is gonna be at least a little bit messy, which isn't the best, but it'll have to do. We didn't have it in the budget to give me a nice and easy nonogram for the first of the month, but I'm sure we'll make do with it. It doesn't look too bad, right? We might get some progress here actually, because this is a minus 8. Yes, 6, 2, 6. Sorry, I got a bit of a cough running, so yeah, hope you'll excuse me for that. This is at least a 2. This is the 14. That's 8, and then we can limit that to here. That's 9. Nothing there. 8. This is a 1. Yeah, has to be. Which means this is a 7. Yep. Yeah, that should be right. Which means this is a 1, and then extend this 11 to over there. So 6, 5. Yep. There's a 2. This is another 2. This is a 7. 2, 2, 2, 11, 8, 8, 5, 2, extend 10. It's 1. And this is a 5. right? No. It's a 6, like that. And then 10, and 6, and then 2 right there. Nothing here. So 5, and then 5. Cool. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay. 4. Oh wait. Let's start from here. 6, 5, 5. 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4. Yup. And then nothing here. So extend this. Here's a 1. That's a 4. That's a 3. 5. This is a 1. And that's a 1. Sorry, can't use the mouse right now, apparently. That's 3. It's 1. 1, 4, 2, 2. Completes that. This is the 8. Nothing here. That's 11. That's 5. That's 1. 8. Right there. Right there. This is a 3. That's an 8. Nothing here. That's 9. That's 8. That's 3. That's 3. Sorry, this cough is like pretty annoying. That should be all of that. So that's 11. Yep. 5. 5. 14. Nothing there. And that's a 6. Oh, there's a 10. So like that, minus 2. That's a 1. There's also a 1. Nothing here. This is an 8. Nothing here. That's a 4. Nothing there. Nothing there. Oh, this is a 10. And this is a 4. Nothing here. 1, 2. No, we don't know yet. Nothing here. That's a 4. That's a 1. That's 3. Cool. What now? Nothing here. Nothing here. What now? Oh wait, nothing here. Wait. Okay, that's really good because now we can extend this 13 and then do a quick minus 7. 1, 6, 5, 3. What else? What else? Nothing there. So that means the 4 is over here. Doesn't really help us right now, but this might. 5 and a 1 minus 4. No, not very helpful actually. Come on, help me out here. There's something. Nothing there, which means nothing here. Which means I don't know what it means. 8, 1, 8. Oh hey. 8, 1, 8, 1 minus 1 to everything. Does that mean we can do this? Yes. We can do this. So nothing here, which means that's a 3. This is an 11. Yep, that's a 2. This is a 9. Nothing here. That's a 2. 13. Get rid of that. That's an 11 right there. That's 9. That's 3. That's 3. It's 2, 2. The 2, 4, 3, 1 completes, and that's a nope. This is a 2, 4, and then 13. Nothing. 3, 9. Nothing here. 9 complete. 2, 6. Yeah. I think we need to cut that off right there. That's 2, and then this is gonna be the 3. That's 5, and that's 6. 5, and that's 8. Okay. Wait, what? Shit. Uh-oh. Wait. What happened? Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 13, 6, 8. Okay, what the fuck? I don't know what happened there. I guess I misclicked something. I thought I made a really bad mistake. This, I don't know. The 6 has to be over here. -3, 7. Good. That's 2. So that's a 1. Yes. So nothing here. Nothing here. That's 3. 1, 2. Yep. 5, 7. 14, 1. Nothing here. That's good. 3. 2. Nothing here. That's a 4. 2. 2. Yep. 2, 1. Yep. Extend that to a 6. This has to be a 4. No space over here. So this is a 1. 291 complete. Sorry for the noise outside if you guys can hear that. If that gets too loud, I might just like mute this portion. But yeah, sorry for that. 3, 6, 5. I think they're cheering me on, guys. I think they're doing that because I'm doing such a good job with these nonograms, you know? Yeah, you know. You get what I mean. You catch my drift, viewer. This is a 3, 7. Yep. 3. 4. That's 2. 5. This is done. This is an 8. Should be. Yep. Nothing here. That's a 4. That's a 10. And then I saw something. Where was it? 1, 3, 2, 3. Nothing. Oops. 1, 3, 2, 3, 4. So this should be done. And so nothing here. Oh, actually that's done. This is also done. 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 5, 8. Yep. Yep. 5. Yeah. 5235. 1315 complete. 435. That's a 3. 1. This is done. And that's done. And now we're on the last final blocks, which is should be right here. Okay. 1542. Sure. Yeah, I take that. I definitely feel like I could have been faster, but hey, that's already a fast enough time as it is. I hope you guys enjoy my attempts at trying to be consistent for a second month in a row. Okay, bye bye. See you guys tomorrow.